Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Michael. This is my old refrigerator. It is a Toshiba GR-M39MD. I've been using this fridge since 2005 and it had never failed me ever since I bought it 17 years ago. Not even require a gas top-up. The capacity of this refrigerator is 390 liters and 320 liters net for storage. My wife now is in desperate for more space as our family is growing bigger, and this has prompted me to buy another larger fridge. After much consideration, we finally decided to go back to the Toshiba brand, and the only fridge that we found that is large enough to fit our taste is the model GR-RF646WE-PGY. Now let's go to unboxing of my new Toshiba refrigerator after we purchased and sent by the shop runners. Boleh. We need this to move easily, and the reason for this is the bottom of this refrigerator is equipped with 4 rollers, and the adjustable stopper will lock the refrigerator in position. It is a multi-door fridge with a freezer compartment located at the bottom. This Toshiba is a dual inverter fridge with 3 systems individually for each refrigerator, freezer, and flexible chamber. The capacity is absolutely large enough at 648 liters and 622 liters net for storage. Talking about large, the outside dimension measured 905 millimeters width, a whopping 1935 millimeters height, and 775 millimeters depth, which is the biggest I can find in our market, and it weighs at 142 kilograms. A look at the first glance really captured our attention with its stunning looks and amazing finishing. It is a beautifully designed refrigerator, and the front tempered glass surface did give us a luxury appearance, while at the back is fully covered, leaving no gap even to insert my finger. Color-wise, it's only available in navy blue, but it all looks like black color, where my wife said matches our kitchen tabletop. Inside the refrigerator chamber consists of 3 tier racks and 4 drawers, and each door have 3 wide removable pockets for storing bottles. Lower freezer and flexible chamber have single rack and 2 drawers each, and every door also have 3 small pockets. It is very large, and we're able to keep lots of foods and beverages inside this fridge. The one thing that truly mesmerized me is the door opening sound, which adds even more luxury sensation to our kitchen. Listen to this. And the control panel is located at the front right door with blue color illuminated temperature display. The interior lighting is very bright, and I love the white LED cluster extending until the curved end. Additional features is the alloy cooling for more uniform spreading of cold air, and it is also featured with plasma ions technology to keep food fresh, and the base holding plate is made out of glass. The door also have alert sound when ajar for 2 minutes if, let's say, my kids did not close the door back. Let's listen to this. And now let me go through all of the settings and modes that are available on this refrigerator. Currently the control panel here is locked, and we cannot do any adjustment to the temperature settings. And to unlock it, just long press on this button for 3 seconds and it is now unlocked. This is the button to adjust the refrigerator chamber from 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and I just leave it to the default 5 degrees Celsius settings. This button is to adjust the flexible chamber on the bottom right that can be adjusted from 7 to -18 degrees Celsius, and I normally adjust it to -10 degrees Celsius. And there is also a feature to turn off the flexible chamber by long press on this button for 5 seconds, and now the flexible chamber is off. To turn back on, just long press it for another 5 seconds and the flexible chamber now is on back again. Let me adjust it to -10 degrees Celsius. The third button here is to adjust the freezer chamber from -18 to -24 degrees Celsius, and I normally adjust it to -20 degrees Celsius. And this one is the mode button that we can cycle from. The first mode is to activate the super cool for the refrigerator chamber to the lowest temperature automatically, and the second mode is to activate the super freeze for the freezer chamber to the lowest temperature, and the third mode is to activate both super cool and super freeze together, and the fourth mode is to turn off the whole refrigerator. Let's say we are on vacation. So to turn it back on, just cycle it again to the normal default settings, and now the control panel will be locked back again automatically. Just wait it for a few seconds. That's it. Well, I bought this refrigerator back in the end of March 2022, and based on the average electric bill charge for the month May, June and July is about 160 ringgit Malaysia plus. I can say that the electric consumption for this refrigerator is roughly 20 more ringgit Malaysia per month compared to the average electric bill charge for the month January, February and March, which is about 130 plus ringgit Malaysia before I bought this new fridge, excluding April for the transition period. Seems like it is very power hungry. What I disliked for this refrigerator is the supplied ugly egg tray that didn't work for me. The lousy ice box maker that cannot be mounted anywhere inside the fridge and cannot even store more than few cups of ice. I hope Toshiba will be able to listen to my advice and make improvements to this in the future. Finally, the recommended retail price for this Toshiba refrigerator is 6,999 ringgit Malaysia, and it does comes with an instructions manual booklet for reference with the packaging. I want to stress that there is no sponsorship for this, and I bought this fridge with my own hard-earned money. We like this Toshiba refrigerator not only because it is large, but also for its design and features despite high power consumption. We didn't regret buying it, and I hope that this Toshiba refrigerator will be able to last long enough until my kids grow up. Once again, I'm Michael and thanks for watching.